Alright, in the previous step we learned how we can make a complete scene with a 3D room and also this beautiful MP5 with hands. Okay, as a last step we want to learn how we can have separated screens for left eye and right eye, because maybe we want to use this game for virtual reality headsets for mobile phones, so we should separate the cameras and the screens for left eye and right eye. The last step is really easy. We have a player camera. Okay, this is an object and a camera object. But now we said, okay, we don't want to have this camera object. We should add another camera from here, and we call it left eye camera. Okay, and we will say the depth has to be 1 and also 0.1, exactly the same. But here for the left eye we will say 0.5. okay, and ignore this part, it is just a mistake of Unity editor. What matters is the left screen of it belongs to left eye camera, so I will duplicate by here and rename it to right eye camera. Okay, and here I need to transform my screen to right, exactly 0.5. okay, now we have double eye view for suitable for virtual reality headsets for mobile phones. I emphasize, it works only for mobile phones. It's not related to other kinds of all-in-one headsets such as a Quest or Oculus or HTC or whatever. It is just for mobile phone. Okay, and look at this. It will be our result. Very easy and beautiful. Okay, you just need to export an APK and test it on your mobile phone. As you can see, it will be double side, so you need to put your headset, put your mobile inside your headset and enjoy virtual reality experience. Okay, I hope this course will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.